Fine. So why should we use Snowflake? Anybody can. Anybody?
Snowflake having a multiple feature like fail safe and time travel, and it's a basically pay as go model, and it's a cloud based without installing anything. We can use it via cloud.
Okay. Yeah.
We can increase the clusters based on the independent scaling
Yeah.
that is possible.
Okay. So architecture, separate layers. While running the query in the compute layer, it won't affect by the storage we have in the database storage layer. Okay? And more security, pay as use model. Okay, different layers, separate layers. That is main. Use the word
The
separate layer
decoupled
and
architecture, right?
yeah, decoupled architecture and a multi-cluster warehouse. Suppose
Yeah.
if you increase the warehouse size in the others, it will take 24 to 48 hours. So I'm not using the names. And if you go with the Snowflake, it will increase the warehouse size within the 2 seconds. Okay. And what is the OLTP and example? What is OLTP and examples? As well as
So
OLAP.
yeah. So OLTP is an online transactional process, like a day-to-day transaction, like when we having a bank data or ATM withdrawals, it's a daily day-to-day transactional data.
Okay. Then OLAP.
OLAP is an online analytical process. It's a huge volume of historical data. Well, the data used for in OLAP system, it's having a historical data to analyze and find the trends.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the
So
purpose of OLAP systems.
OLTP is so day-to-day activities like insert, delete, update. Example is Oracle, like daily transactions like withdrawal and deposits like that, UPI payments. Those OLAP is analytical intent processing. We need after report after 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year. Okay, depends. Okay, as per their requirement. Okay, that is OLAP, analytical processing. Snowflake, Redshift, BigQuery, Snowflake, Databricks, others. So what is the normalization means, like denormalization? Suppose we are receiving data of bank data. So deposit, okay, and withdrawal and UPI payments like GPay, PhonePay, Paytm, others. Okay, and mm, loans amount. So everything we are referring in the one file. Think like there are mm, think like there are 16 to 21 columns. Then as per the requirement, we need to for deposits separate table, for withdrawal separate, for UPI payment separate, for loan separate, for EMI separate. So for others, we need to like divide the columns and we need to create tables and we need to load those data in the those tables. So that is so first we do denomination, after we do normalization. Okay. So what is fact table? Okay. Fact table is in here we're going to have
And
the numeric data. So and you're going to have the description and numeric data. Okay. So this is numeric fact. Okay, this is description data. Okay, tables. Okay, so here we have primary key and primary key and primary key. So every primary key we have in this fact table. Okay, that is the numeric data and description data in the dimension.
measurable quantity data.
Yeah, yeah, we just quantity values, right? Good one, excellent. Okay, so this one, so it is look like star. Okay, so I'm not giving good. Okay, look like star. So that's why we need to call that star schema, and we have subdimension tables. Okay, and these are like having a region, date, data tables. Okay, those is like uh, fact dimension star. Fact plus dimension plus subdimension is star. Sorry, snowflake schema. Okay, snowflake schema.
Snowflake.
Star schema, fact and dimension, Snowflake schema, fact, dimension, sub-dimension. So, but everywhere we have the so fact and dimension, and this is this is like primary keys, yeah. And but that and dimension and sub-dimension we have the relationship keys, okay. So that is star schema and so Snowflake schema. We will discuss more in depth while with the concept. This is like what you need to go with in interview panel. If you want job within the 1 month, what you need to learn, okay, these things, okay. So what is that is dimension, okay. What are types of dimensions? So we have confirmed dimensions, okay, different types. We'll explain while go with the these both dimensions like schemas. Types 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Most of the time we use 1 and 2, so we'll discuss, okay. So which types you have used in your project? 1 and 2, type 1 and type 2. Slowly changing dimensions. What is the difference between star and Snowflake schema? So those are, okay, above explain like sub dimension, dimension, normalization, denomination. So primary key or for explain primary key, foreign key, okay. So that relationships. And how do you handle null values using NVL, NVL2 classes? We are done. Aggregate functions. What are the aggregate functions? What are the
Min,
aggregate?
max, average,
Yeah, some,
minimum, min,
yeah, some, okay,
max.
the average, okay, and some minimum, maximum. Those are aggregate. What are the window functions? Rank, dense, rank, and row number, lead, lag, list tag, L3, or 3L or L cube. Okay, these are the L. Okay, and also we have the pivot and pivot. Okay, so convert columns into rows, rows into columns. That is pivot and unpivot. Okay, SQL concept. Okay, and Snowflake supports pivot and unpivot. Okay, and is Snowflake not supports for indexing and window functions? So we can call analytical functions. Explain row number, rank, density. Okay, so they will ask in the interview difference between rank, density, rank, row number. So see, suppose rank think 1, so 10 like 10 marks, okay, 20 marks, again 20 marks, again 30 marks, again 40, okay, and again 40. So what is the rank? Any can give rank? This one rank. What is the rank? 1. Next one 2022 2. Okay, 1
2,
2 2, and this is 30. We will skip third. It goes to fourth. Okay, and 40 40, fifth and fifth. Okay, we're skipping the third rank, and dense rank. So 1 and 2 2 and
2, 2,
3 and
3,
4 4. It's not skipping.
5,
And yeah, not skip. It won't skip this third value, right? That's why we're going to have the 4 4. So row number is like 1 2 3 and 4. So rank is 1 2 2. So 10 1, 22 and 22 and 34th, we are skipping the third value, third rank, and go to fourth. Why? Because of it's already 2. So 1 2 3, that's why skipping. And 40 40, 5 and 5. And about dense rank for 1 and 2 2, it won't skip the third, it will give to this one 30 marks. Who got the 30 marks? And 40 and 40, 4 and 4. And row number 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 keep. Okay, totally 1 2 3 4 5 6 okay. Lead is lead means like previous value 10 and next value 20. Lag is like previous value, there is value 0, there is no like null, and next value 10, and here 10 again, and it's 20 next value, previous value, next value. That is lead and lag. List tag means suppose you have how do you handle null values? How in one row, do in one row, you in one row, handle in one row, null in one row values. So now we're going to give how, comma, do, it is in the column format. You're going to get in the row, like row. how, comma, do, comma, you, comma, handle, comma, null, very simple. I'll explain. Like, see this one. Okay. See, I'm having the records like 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Take 4 records I have. So this is I'm using now list tag. So now I'm going to get 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, 2, comma, 3, comma, 4. This list. Okay. I'm using comma this one. Suppose if I use like 1, comma, star, 2, comma, star, 3, comma, 4. Suppose if I use equal, or if I use percentage, any symbol, it's going to, or any letter, any word, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. With that word, when you write in the list tag, you will go to give that. That is a list tag. So this one clear, right? So everybody knows about list tag, right? Satya, do you know about these things? Satya, brother, do you know?
Clear. Madhu garu చెప్పండి.
Yeah.
Hello.
Madhu?
Do you know about these things? List tag, lead and
I
lag.
don't know actually.
Okay, I will take one day full class about Snowflake all concept. Okay, I think we take on Saturday. Saturday.
I
Okay.
know.
Those,
Actually,
yeah.
రియల్లీ అప్రిషియేట్ మధు గారు. ఇవన్నీ మేము మళ్ళీ రివిజన్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం. లాంగ్ బ్యాక్ లో చూసిన అంటే సీక్వెల్ అవి చూసినా ఇంత డెప్త్ మాకు తెలియదు.
Okay, sure. Thank you. Yeah. So Saturday we'll go with entire advanced level only. Okay, because of SQL. In Snowflake we use SQL. In DBT we use SQL only. Okay, the Snowflake and DBT completely SQL only. Okay, now we use SQL. And out of 10, if you rate yourself, SQL we need to have 8. Okay, out of 10, 8. And out of 5, 4.4 rating. Out of 5. And out of 10, 8. If you rate yourself SQL, we need to have everything. So I will give everything. Many files I have, but we will go with like simple formula. Okay, so doing those things. And SQL, Snowsql, both are same. Okay, so then we have, so lead, pivot, commit, and rollback. Okay, commit is like save, rollback is the undo buttons. So in but control Z, control Y. Commit is control Y, rollback, control Z. So like save button and undo button, like that. Suppose by Snowflake by default is commit, okay, is true. Okay, if you do anything, it's going to say. Suppose you are creating Snowflake and you are doing something, and like you close the worksheet or sign out, and if you open anywhere after 1 week, then you can get everything what you have done previously. That is like automatic, it's going to save. But by default it's save. You can true automatic also, but you can set to false if you want to use the rollback. Okay, or alter season set, it's automatic called false, then it won't save, and we can use the rollback. But always we use the commit save only. Why? Because of we have already time travel feature, right? That's why. Okay, explain giants. Okay, so simple. I will give few values and I will express. Okay, simple. Take, okay, I have 1, 2, 1, null, and 0. Table A and table 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, and null, okay, and null, and 3. Okay, left join is matching to left side values to right side values. Okay, so 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1, total 4. Okay, then 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2, 6, null comma null, and 0 comma null. Totally simple count of, we have 1, 1, 2, 2 ones, 2 into, and here we have 2 ones, 2 into 2, 4. Okay, and we have 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. Okay, two values. Okay, simple. 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1, and this one 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1, and 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2, and null. There is no match. One null is not equal to another null, so null comma null, and 0 there is no match, 0 comma null. So left. Suppose if you go with the right 1, 1, same, and then 1, 1, and again 2, 2, 2, and there is no match for null, so null, null. There is no match for null, 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 and there is no match for 3, 3, null. And inner join only matched values 1 and 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. And this null you don't get null, null, because of one null is not equal to another null. That is inner. And outer join is like left join plus right join and plus inner join. Okay, left, right plus inner. Simple. Take inner join values and take remaining values of left join. This is not matched. Null value is 0, and here null, null and 3. That is full join. Out. And cross join, suppose 1, 2, 1. We have 5 values here, and here we have the 1, 2, 2, 2, null, null. 6 values. 6 into 5, 30. How 30 means? Suppose there 1 is there. So take null is there. Null, 1, null, 2, null, 2, null, null 6, null, 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 3, like that. Project. And we also have the self join that we will discuss in depth on Saturday. So okay, see these questions and okay. So next joins, delete using row number. We delete. Okay, find first we need to find, after delete using row number, and the second I saw this common question as well as third answer. And the cumulative sum. What is the cumulative sum? Anybody can. Simple cumulative sum is like see. I have 10 and 20 and 30. 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs salary. So first go 10, then again 10, 20, 30, and again 30 already here, and 10, 20, 30, like 60. This is cumulative sum. Okay, so this will most of the time they will ask in the interview. So every interview they will ask in the second round. In the second round they go into the first or second round they go to ask these questions. The cumulative, how to find cumulative. So others we have. So using giant query, two tables they will give. Okay, what type of data, project, how much data received daily, 2 GB or 5 GB, total size of 2 terabytes, 3, 4, result capture, data capture, VRL search, pruning. So when we run the query, it won't skip the unnecessary data, scan on the relevant data, that is compute layer query reading. Okay, so like this we have. Okay, do you have any questions? Okay, so why should we use hierarchy? Okay, other things. Okay, we will discuss. Okay, on Saturday, complete we go with SQL advanced level. So as of now, I'm closing session. Okay, any doubt? Okay, Puneet, Ganesh, Arun, Sawan, Vamshi. Arun, fine, right?
Madhu?
Yeah.
Madhu, I have a question. Sorry to interrupt. Madhu,
No.
actually, the question is, I try to apply what are our learning concept in project. So could you please share any record or anything, data,
Come again,
or one complete video?
I didn't get you.
Madhu, I plan. Yeah. So I just learned a Snowflake, Madhu.
Yeah.
Right now we are completing Snowflake. I try to apply the learnings in a project. So can you please give me any project documentation?
I will provide in this week. Okay, I'm preparing that. From last week, I'm preparing. It will going to. I will going to show this week. Okay. Yeah.
Sure, Madhu. So that's the one thing.
So from 1 week, I'm preparing when it's end, because I'm having everything right. Not only Snowflake, DBT, Airflow, modern data, vault, other Cortex, so other Pythons, PyPark, right?
Yeah.
So Snowflake and DBT. Okay, whatever.
Yeah, sure, Madhu. I plan to put in my resume that project too, so that's why.
Okay. Everyone
Madhu
go. Yeah, Stephens.
నిన్న క్లాస్ మీరు రికార్డ్ ఉంది కదా, అది డిబిటి
నైట్ అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను.
కొంచెం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే కానీ మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ అర్థం కాదు, అందుకోసం.
నేను అట్లే నోట్స్ కూడా షేర్ చేస్తాను వీక్ లో కంప్లీట్ గా. సో మీకు ఏంటంటే చూసి షేర్ చేస్తాను. నైట్ అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను జస్ట్. ఓకే, టేక్ కేర్ ఎవరీవన్. గుడ్ నైట్. ఓకే, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్.